Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. A significant part of many home gardens, roses are found for their beautiful flowers and dense leaves. If you plant roses, then you'll surely know roses have a reputation for being problematic. Although roses are sometimes considered the queen of flowers, even the queen faces problems and needs outside help. So today let me tell you some tips and tricks to make your rose plant bloom more flowers and to keep your rose plant bushy and healthy. This plant we planted from cuttings last year. The flowering is stable, but suddenly my mom noticed today that the plant was not so healthy as usual. As this time is the time for repotting our plants and pruning our plants, my mom was busy repotting other plants. By noticing the plants, you can say that the leaves are yellow, the leaves have a powdery coating on them, and you can clearly see that the plant is not healthy at all. We may contain some of these problems in our rose plant, such as fungal diseases which may contain powdery mildew, black spots on our rose plant, aphid attack, rose petal edges which turn brown, and leaves which are yellow, and we have rust on rose leaves, and plants are seen to be not healthy, and lastly our rose plants are having a dieback. So to get rid of all of these, my mom will tell you some simple tips. First of all, you need to regularly check your plants and if they have any of these problems, and if they have, make sure to remove the damaged leaves, stems or even flowers. And make sure to cut all the leaves which are touching the soil, so no leaf is intact with the soil. And after you have cut all the damaged leaves, stems or flowers, if they fall into the soil, make sure to remove them from the soil also. Now let me tell you about the soil. Roses naturally love acidic soil, and the soil must be well drained. So make sure to dig the soil time by time and maintain the aeration. And as roses love slightly acidic soil, my mom is giving citrus peels to maintain the pH. And with this, my mom applied some neem leaf. It helps to prevent any kind of pest or fungal attack. Like this, my mom slowly removed all the damaged leaves, flowers or stems from the plant. Now I'll just tell you the basic needs. Roses require at least 6 hours of full sun a day, a well-drained and nutrient-rich soil, and moderate amounts of water should be required. Also keep in mind, while you're watering, do not water on the leaves. Make sure to give the water directly to the soil. But here in this case, my mom is spraying on the leaves because the coating that she saw earlier may be a fungal attack. That's why she's giving a bioenzyme solution spray. You can give this bioenzyme solution once a week, and you need to give 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme in 1 liter of water. Look at this plant now. It's so healthy and bushy. There is a myth that if in one stem there are 7 leaves, no flowers are to be found. But believe me or not, last year this plant had so many flowers, and this year in tip of each stem there is a bud. So in my opinion, if you have any kinds of plants like these, do not throw it away. Just have some patience and take care of this plant and you'll get flowers in that plant as well. Okay, now let me tell you about another fertilizer. This banana peel and mustard seed was kept for 7 days in water, and after that it has been diluted and is being given to the plants. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.